We'll start with 3 spotted bananas, the riper the better. That's where all the sweetness and flavor comes from. I like to mash them up really well with a fork until they're nice and smooth, kind of like a soft banana puree. You can leave a few little chunks if you like some texture in your bread. You may then add a 1/4 cup of milk and a 1/3 cup of favorite sweetener. I'm using maple syrup today. It gives the bread a gentle, natural sweetness. Add 2 cups of almond flour and 3 tablespoons of melted butter, or if you prefer, coconut oil works just as well. Mix in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Next, we'll add 2 room temperature eggs. They'll help everything mix together nice and smooth. Add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And don't forget a pinch of salt, which brings out the flavor. Mix your batter well. And if you're feeling a little extra cozy, toss in some semi-sweet chocolate chips or a sprinkle of cinnamon. Both are completely optional but highly recommended. Once you've got everything ready, just pour your batter into a loaf pan and bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 to 50 minutes. And let me tell you, this is the best almond flour banana cake there is. It's moist, light, and full of that sweet banana flavor that just warms your heart.